Are you prepared for the winter season? As the chill of winter approaches, it's essential to ensure your home, specifically your roof, is ready to withstand the harsh elements. Winter roof inspections and maintenance are crucial to avoid costly repairs and keep your home safe and warm. Firstly, it's essential to grasp the importance of regular roof inspections. An inspection can reveal potential problems before they escalate into more significant issues. Even minor damage can lead to serious problems if left unattended, especially during winter. Let's delve into some practical and easy-to-follow tips for winter roof inspections and maintenance. 1. Clean your gutters. Gutters clogged with leaves, dirt, and other debris can cause water to back up and damage your roof. Make sure to clean them out before the first snowfall. 2. Inspect your shingles. Damaged or missing shingles can allow water to seep into your home, causing damage. Look for signs of wear and tear such as curling, cracking, or missing shingles, and replace them as necessary. 3. Check for leaks. Look inside your home for signs of roof leaks like water stains on your ceiling or walls. If you find any, it's important to address the problem immediately. 4. Trim overhanging branches. Branches that hang over your roof can cause damage if they break off during a storm. Keep trees trimmed back to protect your roof. 5. Consider a professional inspection. If you're not comfortable inspecting your roof yourself, hire a professional. They have the knowledge and experience to identify potential problems and recommend solutions. To sum up, preparing your roof for winter involves cleaning your gutters, inspecting your shingles, checking for leaks, trimming overhanging branches, and considering a professional inspection. By following these tips, you can help ensure your roof is ready for the winter season and avoid potential problems down the line. Remember, a little preparation now can save you a lot of trouble later. So, don't wait until the first snowfall to start thinking about your roof. Start your winter roof inspection and maintenance today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. We're always here to provide you with practical and easy-to-follow tips to help you maintain your home. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay safe this winter season.